Good morning, everyone. This is Steve over at Preferred Equipment in Jacksonville, Texas. So, here recently, we've had quite a few people come in and inquire about this kind of odd looking machine here. This right here is the Cub Cadet Z2 46S. The S stands for steering wheel. Instead of having your drive tires being what steers you, and you use independent drive to do that, the steering wheel actually turns and you pivot just like you would in your car. So as you look here, and I'm turning the steering wheel, you can turn 180 degrees all the way around. So what that does is that gives you zero turn maneuverability with steering wheel, the comfort of a steering wheel. Now, who would need this machine? First off, someone who hasn't ever ran a zero turn or equipment that has independent track or independent wheel drive. So someone who's a little bit new, maybe they're coming off of a lawn style tractor, they want a zero turn, they see how fast they can mow, they can see all the benefits of a zero turn, but they're not comfortable with that. This bridges that gap. Somebody that is used to the fact that in their car they've got a gas pedal. So your forward and reverse is right here. Use these pedals. You push forward, you come back. So this feels more natural to what someone is used to if they haven't been around equipment. Now, a couple other things that is good for. You have a really manicured lawn and you like to take real good care of it. Now your steering is 3 pivot points, not just 2. So whenever you've got to make a sharp turn, the fact that your pressure is changed, that you're not just turning with your drive tires, now you're going to have less times that you're going to tear up your yard. Maybe you've got a bunch of folks in your family. Maybe a lot of you do the mowing. Maybe they're not quite ready to be able to operate a true zero turn, but you want one machine and you want to be able to have that maneuverability. You're good with it, but they're a little iffy. This bridges that gap. You still get that maneuverability. You still get the heavy duty frame, fabricated 11 gauge frame. You still get all the benefits of the zero turn. Now, a couple things. These do come in a slight more expensive than their zero turn counterparts. You're looking at probably $1,000 to $1,500 more per unit than what it would be if it was a true zero turn. There is a little more maintenance with the steering. You're gonna have a few more grease points here in the front that you'll have to keep greased. You got a few more moving parts. But if this is the right machine for you, those benefits greatly outweigh the deterrents. So, wanted to just take a little bit of time just to be able to show kind of what the differences is in this steering wheel zero turn. A lot of folks don't even know that they're out. A lot of folks maybe have seen them, but they're kind of gimmicky. They think, oh man, no, these are great machines. They reduce fatigue. You can control it with one hand. There's so many benefits. So if you got any questions, maybe this isn't the right machine for you, man, I've got 9 different brands. I've got so many models. Man, we can find what you need. So I've got a great team here. We're able to find so many people the right mower to fit them here at Preferred Equipment. So come by, let us be able to help you find what fits you, what fits your budget, and what you need to be able to keep your lawn looking great year after year. This is Steve with Preferred Equipment. I thank you for your time.